I wish I had some KFC. I really want to play video games right now.
Hey, little boy, guess what? KFC's releasing a video game console, little boy.
Oh my god, my house!
Hey, little boy, guess what? KFC's releasing a video game console, and I know you know that. It's a whole thing about marketing. Welcome to the video. Finger lick that like button for Kearney Sandy. Yeah, lick your papa's like button woman.
That's right, guys. The chicken slingers over at KFC are going after Sony and Microsoft by teaming up with a company called Cooler Master to create a gaming console that's set to come out in June of 2021. It's got a chicken compartment and ray tracing. How did we get here? In this video, we're gonna talk about that. Pretty soon, you're gonna see lots more companies do stuff like this. You're gonna see that Trader Joe's is like selling a gaming laptop that ferments kombucha. And you're gonna see that Domino's is selling pacemakers in store with like a medium one-topping pie. That's because this now makes financial sense for companies to do this type of marketing, which is crazy. My background is in digital marketing, and one way to think about marketing is that it's our job to take new forms of communication and absolutely destroy them by using them to sell stuff to you. Do you remember way back when America invented mail?
Mail!
Marketers realized that if we mail you a bunch of stuff, there's a chance you will actually buy the stuff that we mail you stuff about. Now, 41 pounds of junk mail are delivered per person per year, 44% of which never even gets opened.
I wonder if I've got any mail! Mail time, baby!
How about phones? Almost half of all phone calls made in the US in 2019 were robocalls.
Is this a robocall? I only like chicken calls, baby!
Or think about the radio. Today, 16 minutes per hour of radio is dedicated to advertising.
Oh man, yeah, I love the radio. What is that? That's an advertisement. This radio sucks. Arson, man. You ready, baby? Looks like your chicken is cooked. Holy fuck! Holy shit!
Oh, what about television? 25% of all broadcast time is dedicated to advertising. What about email? 45 to 73% of all email traffic is spam.
Colonel, what are you doing?
I'm killing the internet!
Colonel, please! Colonel!
Marketers ruin everything. That's our job. That's what we do, and we're great at it. Once Pizza Hut tried to project their logo onto the moon. They tried to ruin the moon. And screw Pizza Hut, because everyone knows the moon belongs to Papa John and his son, Bo.
My son, Bo.
Bo's in the house.
The history of advertising basically goes like this. An awesome new communication medium gets created and people absolutely love it. Marketing people like me then get a hold of it and we try to use it to get you to buy our stuff. And as more marketing people compete with each other using that new communication medium, marketers start doing absolutely wild, crazy stuff in order to stand out from the crowd. Social media changed the game for marketers because now if someone thinks your marketing campaign is awesome and noteworthy, they can now spread it for you for free. You don't have to pay to get your ad shown to people like with television or radio or direct mail. People can just retweet your stuff or add it to their Instagram story or share it on Facebook for you because they like your stuff.
Slurp up the like button. Slurp the subscribe button. Lick up that like button. Ooh, brown gravy.
One brand stands above the rest when it comes to doing insane stuff to get attention on social media. And you guessed it, the chicken man himself, Mr. Colonel Sanders. KFC's marketing department has been hard at work trying to revive a brand in decline. If you look back at their marketing, around 2016, it kind of seems like KFC's marketing department just started doing a lot of drugs and they just started greenlighting ideas to get attention like crazy. So if you go back on their YouTube channel, out the gate, they dropped this collab with WWE and it's absolutely incredible. And then, a little while later, for Mother's Day, they wrote a novella, and they released it as an ebook on Amazon.
Sometimes it seemed as though Madeline and Colonel Sanders had been made to love each other.
KFC made a series of meditation and relaxation tapes to promote their pot pies.
Feel the steam escape from the crust. Let it flow over you.
They made a VR training game so that they could train their employees using a VR game.
Pick up that magical fried drumstick.
They made a music video with male strippers. Does anybody remember the KFC dating sim? And then they made their very own proprietary Crocs. Then they made a Lifetime movie starring Mario Lopez.
Who the hell are you? Harlan Sanders. Secret's out, chicken man.
Again, these campaigns work not because they're always incredible high quality projects, but because they stand out from the crowd and they get people talking. Everyone has a ton of reach and influence, and so talking equals dollars. This all brings us to the KFC console, the pinnacle of ironic, postmodern, viral, organic social media advertising. Campaigns like this are going to get more and more common as brands compete to stand out on social media. We might see Tony the Tiger get addicted to meth and go to rehab. The Pillsbury Doughboy might become a Scientologist. It's all possible, baby. So strap in, strap on, and get ready for the future.
Well, howdy, I didn't see you there. My name's Mr. Colonel Sanders, founder of Kentucky Fried Chicken. How am I still alive? You probably already know about the KFC console we've been cooking up over here at the KFC Marketing Lab. Introducing the KFC console. There's a real chicken as a controller. Oh, this is a good one, Tom Howard. I really like your work, baby. I'm gonna win. I'm the Dragonborn.
Finally awake.
Dovahkiin, shoulda got that Deadine. Did you know that Papa John said that I said the N-word? We're absolutely tickled to show you some of the other campaigns we've been cooking up over here at the KFC Labs. Introducing KFC Pit Cream. Now, baby, just been at the fryer your whole day, and you coming home and just take this and you just start applying. You put it all over, and you know what? You just apply directly to the area of importance. This is a shot that's real good, right? It's called Pit Cream, but you can use it on your butt pit too, and it tastes delicious. Oh, so good. Guys. Okay, cut. Oh, Colonel! Hey, get out of here, boy! Introducing the new KFC Depoopinator. Us bad boys over here at KFC, we made a little plungy plunge. Uh-oh, you done blasted your toilet after you had a 12-piece of our chicken for only $19.99. Well, with this Depoopinator, you can very easily get in there and just start. And perfect. Works like a charm.
Colonel?
Done.
Colonel, but Colonel didn't vote. Colonel?
What was that, boy?
What?
You can use your Depoopinator for home defense. Yeah, little boy. I'll eat your mama and papa. I'll put them in my fryer. And I'll lick the flesh, clean off their bones. Introducing KFC's new line of sexual lubricant. It's called a bang sauce. You can lube up your partner with our gravy flavored lubricant. Oh, look at that, baby. Oh, yeah. Now, this is made with real gravy and Elmer's glue, if you can believe it or not. It's finger licking good, and I will consume some for you. The cartilage is the best part. That's what Sanders likes. Introducing the new KFC hand sanitizer. We were asked to do a brand integration with Clorox, and this is the only product that we came up with.
But Colonel, it says don't apply to your skin.
And that's exactly right.
Colonel, where's your mustache?
Oh, it came off because I just used our brand new KFC hand sanitizer. This is for attention on social media.
Colonel,
didn't you watch the video? I eat the bones. I found it, Kentucky Fried Chicken. I'll eat the bone. You taste that? That's marrow. You see that?
Colonel, there's a controller coming out of the chicken.
No, shut up, boy. Shut your mouth. You know how I stayed alive forever? I ate the life force of your friends and family. I will never stop marketing, and you will enjoy it and consume it because you're just a little capitalist little pig. Oink, oink, piggy, 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 piggy.
Hey baby girl, thanks for watching. If you don't hit that subscribe button, I'll come over and fucking kill your
kill him.
I'll kill your dad with my own 2 hands. I'll wring his neck, then I'll drink the blood out of his fucking neck. I will kill your dad if you don't subscribe to my YouTube channel. Fucking subscribe, or I'll kill your dad. Seriously, his life is in jeopardy if you don't subscribe. Fucking subscribe, yeah.